Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So a pretty strong and aggressive move yesterday. We do have a measured move structure. I just want to get that in to see where we are. That measured move has pretty much been done. And what we'll do is just get this zone in. So that was sort of the measured move target that we had. We've got a grouping of the oscillators at the moment. We are in a downtrend. We're at the 155. So, you know, the highly probable trade at the moment is a rejection of this pullback onto structure. So that is the first option on the table. I'm not sure I want to be jumping in short though at the moment. And reason for that is really this weekly tweezer bottom with a crossover here. So for me, I'm anticipating a move back up into the moving averages here, possibly even higher. But obviously we need to stop breaking above these swing highs, previous swing highs here from earlier in the year, before we start looking at continuation of the upside. But at the moment, that pattern there with a confirmation bar is a pretty aggressive bullish move that is forming. Granted, we're only halfway through the week, but that is kind of the view that we've got, well, I've got at the moment anyway. Right, so not really wanting to be long up here. Look at my oscillators. First things first, we've got another grouping, could be a double top here forming, and you can see big acceleration move up and then into a channel. So spike and channel according to Al Brooks, but that's pretty much what's happened. We've got a solid move up, and now we're sort of going into a channel, and this is just a signal that people are jumping in late. So this is newbie retail traders normally, which are jumping in late, and then you've got algorithms that are jumping at the end because they know this is happening, and they just keep buying off the bottom of the channel. They anticipate where the channel is, and they keep buying, and they sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. But what we're anticipating is a pullback onto structure. So we have cleared this area here, so we need to pay attention. We're not cleared it yet. We're busy trying to clear it. We need to pay attention to that. Then we need to pay attention to this zone right over here. So there you can see was support and there was resistance. So that zone is the pullback area that I am interested in. So here you can see the spike and channel a lot clearer. You can see strong move up and then into a channel or a flag. So you know, there's no other structure on the way up yesterday. It was pretty much solid move. This exhaustion bar does worry me. Grouping of the oscillators. So the only area I'm looking to buy off is 13,100, 13,065 area, and obviously, you know, if we don't keep that structure, then each one of these inside tails here would offer an opportunity. For me, you're looking at the 15-minute today, as per yesterday, and I think let's start with yesterday. You can see we had this range. We had the fake out to the bottom of the range, and then we had the move to the top of the range. But you know, the swing high here, you can see there above structure forming a bit of a range, and you've got a pin bar, then you've got an engulfing bar here. So entry for this trade was pretty much above the structure. Nice tight stop, so it was a 60-point stop loss, and look what that would have got you, 460 points. So for me today, we are looking at something similar, and it's going to be on the 15 minutes. So find support down here, 13,324. You need to pay attention to price action. If you start seeing inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars on the structure, well worth taking the opportunity on the break of the structure. And you're looking at 120-point stop loss. You need to be below these swing lows here on the stop loss. So that's the one line, that's the one trade. So basically what it could be is just form a big range. Bottom of the range could also pop down to this area here. So that's the first situation that may brew. So you're looking for bottom of the range, wait for price action. On top of price action, you're in. Stop right below the price action. So try get your stop loss under 100 points. If that fails, then you're looking for a deeper pullback down into this 13,065, 13,100 area. Find some support here. You're looking for a move up. is a little bit of a gap lower down, so pay attention to that as well. You see there's a gap right here. Where are we? So let me just get here to the close. That's 13.024. So 13.024, there's definitely a gap. There's a bit of structure to the left there as well. So any deep pullback, that is the zone that you're going to be paying attention to, which is 13.065, 13.024, 1300, if there's a deep pullback. Otherwise, what you're doing is you're waiting for the market to open, wait for the actual market open, not the DAX pre-market open. So the first hour that the DAX is open is obviously the pre-market. I typically ignore that. Wait for what's going on. If you find a base here and we're going to have another leg up, then that is the time that they're going to trigger it. They're going to trigger it early in the session for a break to the upside. Target areas. I just want to see what we have here. So first target area is going to be really close to where we are actually, 13,560, and then you need to keep that gap in mind as well. So you'll need to clear all these tails. So you'll probably find from 13,560 to each of these tails, you'll find some sellers come in. So that would be the first area to take profit. Then we're kind of there already, aren't we? So there it is there. So that would definitely be your first area. So pull back onto one of the levels, then you're looking for a move back into this area. Sorry, I'm lying. There's the level there. So that is 13,560. So you're looking for any pullback. That's your first target area. Then you're looking for another pullback onto structure, which could be any of these two levels that where we are at the moment. And then you're anticipating a break of that. A break of this area here at 13,560 opens us up for 13,797 or 13,800, where there's a gap. That will be a magnet, guys. So that is the first thing to pay attention to. So for me, that is the opportunity that we have. We either looking for a range to form this morning, and it's either between these two levels, or pick one of these lower levels where we will find a bigger range, bounce around there in the pre-market, and then probably first a leg down in the market open to the bottom of the range, climb in, you should see some price action there, jump in, first target 13,560, take profit there, wait for the pullback onto structure, another opportunity for a long, and then you're looking to hold that for gap close. That's the structure I'm looking at today. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.